Greetings, and welcome to What's New in Office 2016. Rather than jump right into the What's New of Office 2016, I thought we might begin the series with a discussion on how Office and Office 365 work together. This is all pretty new for folks, so I want to help eliminate some of the confusion that we see in the enterprise with folks thinking Office has been name changed over to Office 365, which isn't accurate. Microsoft Office has been around for over 25 years. If we look at the history, it goes all the way back to 1990. It started with a basic bundle that included Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Over the years, more applications would be added, and we can see now that the Office suite and extended applications, depending on the edition you purchase, include over a dozen applications, along with the web-based versions of some of these. As you can see here, we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher, Access. Then there's OneDrive, which is part of Office 365. There's Skype. There's also Visio and Project, and a variety of other applications that connect in with Office 2016. The confusion comes in when people think that Office, currently Office 2016, which is available for both PCs and Macs, is the same as Office 365. It isn't. Office 2016 is the suite of applications that have been evolving for 25 years. Office 365 is a subscription solution that allows you to purchase server solutions like Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and so on, and/or Office applications for end users. If we look at some of the plans that are offered here, you can see that there are business and enterprise plans. There are also home user plans, which have a different structure because they're mainly focused on just the Office applications. But we wanted to look at this from the enterprise perspective, and you can see that if you purchase these various plans, they have different price points down here. You get different features. So, for example, the Business Essentials plan does not include Office applications, whereas the Business and Business Premium does include those. Now that's for a user maximum of 300. If you go toward the enterprise plans, we have E1, which does not include Office applications, no Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but we also have the Pro Plus and the Enterprise E3, which does include the Office applications for the end users. As we scroll down, you can see more about these plans and what they include. For example, even though the Business Essentials and the E1 plan did not include applications that were installed, you do have the online versions of Office, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In addition, if you have one of these plans that includes having a mailbox, well, you would certainly have the online version of Outlook or Outlook on the web. And so you would still be able to access your email through the online portal. So, while Office 2016 remains Office at the core, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on, the way you buy it has changed. The subscription model is the future. One of the key benefits to subscribing to your software is that updates will be added to your solution through periodic online updates that you don't need to pay for but enjoy as part of your subscription. In the clips to follow, you're going to see all the new features in the installed flavors of Office that you've come to know and love. You'll also see a few online application features to help round out your full appreciation for where Office is at. I'd like to show you the portal view for Office 365. Here you can see I've logged in with my Office 365 subscription plan, and with mine you can see here this is where it takes me to start with. But if I click this little app launcher in the top left, it shows me all of the other options that I have. I can go right to my email with Outlook on the web, or I have Word online, I have Excel online, PowerPoint, OneNote. There are some additional applications that maybe you've never heard of. Delve, Sway, these are also included. Now, many may never see this, and they may not need to, and that's because maybe they have a mailbox in Office 365 that they connect to using Outlook 2016, but they may not ever log into the solution through the portal itself. But notice by doing so, you can do quite a bit. For example, if you do have a mailbox, you can access your email through Outlook on the web. Keep in mind, not every person will have every one of these applications available in their launch bar. It depends on the portal, it depends on what administrators wish to have enabled, combined with whatever permissions you might be assigned to these applications. But as you can see, there are certainly a lot of applications available, and much you can do through the online portal. You can also see that from within here, you can install Office onto your PC or Mac. You can also install the Office suite on your devices for those using iOS and Android. It's an exciting time, folks. Office 2016 is, no doubt, the latest and greatest flavor to date. The distribution methods and platform options offer greater variety than ever before. And the collaboration aspects, especially with Office 365 on the back end, make it more productivity focused than any of its predecessors. So I hope you found this informative. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please enjoy the clips to follow.